can teach an old dog new tricks.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today's video has been a long time coming. I've been putting it off and putting it off, but today when I got up and looked at my notifications on YouTube, there they were again. Those comments. I'm sure you've heard of body shaming, slut shaming, fat shaming. I'm talking about age shaming. Although I get so many kind and wonderful comments, I also get some pretty mean ones. They're mostly on the videos that have at least 1 million views on them because they attract all kinds of demographics. I love that. What I don't love, let me read a couple of them to you. She's old. How old is she? She is so good old. How old are you? How old is she? Here's some of the more fun ones that I enjoy. Go away, old lady. No, I won't. Stop saying bad words. You're too old for them. F you. WTF, how old is she to talk so vulgar? F you too. Wow, an old lady saying bitch, oh boy. They spelled it B-I-C-H. They're referring to the Jelly Flower lipstick video. I don't swear on my videos, and if I do, I bleep it out, but on this one I said, I'm gonna cut this bitch open. Big whoop. Here's some of my actual favorite ones that are supposed to make me question being on YouTube at all. I'm new here and I just realized that you're too old to be a YouTuber. Sorry. While I did have some of the viewers ripping this guy a new one, it made me think, am I too old for YouTube? Wow, first off, you're like too old to be acting like a total retard. That word is not PC. Stop it. Instead of doing reviews, start planning for your retirement. I have been. Isn't she too old for YouTube? JFC. What the hell does that mean? Just for cuz? Just for cuz. And here is my favorite one because it's so clever. How old are you? 90? You look so old for YouTube. First off, good one. Secondly, yes. I am 90. In fact, I've collected a few pictures of myself at this ripe old age, enjoying life to the fullest. And I'm going to share those with you now. First off, here I am just in my green and white sweater, just having a little conversation with the photographer. This is me. I just got new wallpaper and I felt like partying, so I gave that hand gesture and said, woohoo! Woo! Yeah, this was a sad day. I had a heart attack and I got photographed right in the middle of it, so it was great to capture that moment. Yeah. This is me listening to one of my favorite tunes on my Beats. Here I am enjoying a nice glass of whiskey. And I have to say, having a glass of that every day really has helped me on my way to being a centenarian. Oh yeah, here I am. I just had Ava in the hospital, so that's like my first time holding her. I love this picture. Someone did a painting of me, and considering I'm so old, perhaps that was Matisse or Monet? Not sure. Let's really get to the point. A majority of YouTube viewers are very young. It says YouTube diehards are between the ages of 18 and 34. But I've had comments from people watching my channel that were 10, 12, teens, probably out of curiosity, but there are a lot of subscribers that are younger, and I believe that they view my channel more in relation to the familiarity of, say, their parents or teachers or someone in that age range. And that's perfectly fine, and in fact, I love it. I do know that I have reached a lot of teenagers, having gotten so many wonderful comments like, I wish you were my mom. I'll take it. I love that. I am old enough to be a lot of these people's mothers, and that's okay. Everybody needs a mother, some more than others. Yes, I have a beauty-related channel. That's not all I do, but the fact that beauty is in there makes a lot of people question it because at a certain age, we aren't beautiful anymore. Do you think that I don't know that no makeup company is going to want to collaborate with this? If I'm lucky, I'll get a call from Fixident or Life Alert.
I've fallen. And I can't get up.
They might want me. I actually don't think you have to be beautiful to make a beauty channel. And you'll notice that there are a lot of YouTube channels that are wholeheartedly accepted. The diversity is fantastic. And that, I believe, is what YouTube's all about. But when you're older, there's no acceptance there. You are shunned. Am I going to answer the how old are you question? No. Not because I don't want to reveal it. There's no big reveal. I look my age. I am happy to be my age. I don't want to hide it from anybody. I just don't want age to be a factor when it comes to watching my channel. It should be for the content, for the laugh you get out of it, and the fact that you might actually learn something. That's always been really important to me. So for those viewers who do like my content, but they don't like the fact that this doesn't look 20 anymore, I've got something for you. I've gathered a bunch of pictures from when I was in my 20s. And what I suggest you do is take any picture of your liking, turn on only the sound of my video, and just look at that face the whole time. I'm not one to lecture young people. I am one to share information. And that information for today is you are only as old as you feel. And if I were to choose an age of how old I feel, I don't think I ever went past 17. Yes, I have a job, I have a mortgage, I have a marriage, I have a child. But inside, I still feel like that young girl. It's just the outside that's changed. People want to stay young because there is this wonderful glow and freshness about a young face. And yes, I really liked my young face. But you know what I also like? Is where I am in my life right now. I've never been happier. I've never felt more confident. And I know that when you're in your adolescence and teens and even 20s, it's such a struggle to figure out who you are. And just because I feel 17 doesn't mean that I can act like I'm 17. Acting your age is just one of the weirdest terms, because what does that mean? If I acted my age, does that mean that I couldn't do cartwheels with my daughter down the grocery store aisles? Does that mean that I should have antiques in my background? Does that mean I need to wear sensible shoes? So have I really answered that question? Am I too old for YouTube? Not in everything I just said, but I'll answer it. No. You're never too old for anything. There are so many stories out there of people that have achieved their dreams so late in life, and I don't even know if I've achieved mine. Maybe I will in 20 years, who knows? I do know that I'm not gonna limit myself because of how old I am, because of how many years I've lived on this earth. It's a privilege to grow old, you guys. So many people don't have the chance to do that, and I'm grateful. Yes, I've had some really tough times in my life, but I'm here now. I am the age that I am, and I'm gonna do what I wanna do. So I will, in closing, say to all of my young viewers, you know who you are. I love you guys. I'm here for you. You're important to me, and always remember that. That's all that this old lady has to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I know that I did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.